Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to give you a tour for my new ride that my husband bought it for me for my birthday and Valentine's Day and anniversary day. So I would like to give you a tour very quick guys. So let's get started. Alright guys, so all the seats are leather and can seat 5 people, 3 in the back and 2 in the front, including the driver. Anyway guys, this is my rosary, very old rosary, probably more than 200, almost 200 years old. So I keep that in here in my vehicle. Here in the back seat, it's leather and has actually a little compartment here, and then you can fold it up and people can sit in the middle. And plus you have a vent for your AC, for your charging port. You can put your USB, and has a compartment for your little stuff. And also the floor mat is heavy duty. Even though you can spill out of water in one soap on the way to the bottom because of this. And then on the bottom, meron siyang wrap para siyang facial, hindi naman nalagamit. Tapos for the door side, got your control for your window up and down. And you crank this car guys, is need to hold the brake, push the brake, and then push the start button, and then release. Alright, so this is the look of the steering wheel. You can answer call or cancel call. Steering wheel is heated, set cruise control. On this side you can control your volume. And by the door side you have your mirror control, left and right in here, up and down, window control, lock. So here guys you have your screen, and this is a screen look like, even though touch screen. You have your OnStar for your emergency if you get lost or somewhere that like you run out of gas, you need to call OnStar for your help. You need to subscribe OnStar anyway before you can do that. And in here you can have control your AC
and control your seat. You can put in heated during winter season, and both chairs for your passenger seat.
AC, you can put it down, all the way down, you just touch it. Okay, and then the other side for the other vent, you can control it right there. So put in 69 example. Okay, because there are 2 vents in the front, right there in the front. Here you can do your park, reverse, neutral. So that's all right here. Parking, eco, park, and then you have your emergency light. And in the compartment. Dito sa compartment din, meron siyang, it's a very nice compartment. It's so spacious. So, maganda siya. So, meron yung mga guris-guris pa dyan. Mga discount fast food. Okay, so that side you can control your vent. You can put in high or very low. You can go per, you can open it. Let's see. This is the control of your sunroof. You can open your sunroof, but right now it's too hot, so just close it. And you got your light here on the top. See? And right there for your, probably for your garage control. Right there. And got the speaker on this side. Tapos dito meron siyang, it has a nice compartment right here. That's the first layer, and when you press this down it goes to the other, to the bottom right here. You need to charge your phone here, and then it's it's deep. So this guy, or this bottom compartment guys, has a, you can put your adapter in there, your SD card. Example, if you want to download music for your vehicle and you like your favorite music, you can download for an SD card. There's a SD card slot in there. And then put your mini goodies. So, meron din siyang ano dito, lagyan ng for your charger. Okay. Front guys, you have your speaker, and it is Bose speaker, one of the best speaker in the world. And it has also one right here, and a rear view mirror. Meron siyang, you can press your audio, 1-star and SOS. So I got my phone holder here. So far guys, this vehicle is running pretty awesome. Alright guys, so far this vehicle is runs pretty good, and I don't have a problem with it. So I'm so thankful my hubby who gave me. He got me this car because I can load my grocery in the back better. And there's my dog. So but anyway, we'll give you see this in here. So, yan ang likod ng sasakyan guys. You can load a lot of groceries in here. And you can have your, you can open this one. You have your spare tire in the bottom. And yeah, that's it. Alright guys, so this is my new ride, and I'm so thankful my hubby who bought me this one, and I'm happy with it. So, and of course I super love it. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell icon for if you want to get notified for my next video. So alright guys, see you later. Bye.